Alright guys, so my cocksucking friends Blake Early and Douglas Little keep begging me to do more content. Well, here you go, you sons of bitches. I've waited over a month for this box. I ordered this on the 16th of December and it just got here today, which is absolute bullshit. The United States Postal Service can suck me off. What's in this box is a knockoff Stormtrooper helmet from China. When I ordered it, I thought it was the Black Series Stormtrooper helmet, but I later found out that it wasn't. But it still looks like a decent helmet from the pictures. Hopefully it's made out of a decent resin or something. Like I said, I waited over a month for this. The seller on eBay has a handful of different Stormtrooper helmets. I thought about ordering the new order Stormtrooper helmet, but I don't really feel like waiting a month for it, so we'll just see. Just going to go ahead and get in this box. If this thing is broken, I'm going to kill somebody. Because like I said, I've waited over a month for this thing, which is absolute bullshit. God damn. Like, if it didn't arrive today, I was going to kill somebody. Because this thing, for the past couple of days, I've been checking the tracking, has been sitting in a town that's nearby, like a few hours away, and it just wasn't going anywhere, and I was about to drive up there and murder someone. Let's go ahead and get in this thing. And it doesn't look bad at all, actually. Like, it's not the best, but it's not the worst either. The paint can use some touching up, but I can do that myself. The resin on this thing is actually really, really thick resin. You can tell it's cast because it's got run marks on the inside, but it doesn't really matter. Like, this is not bad at all. It does say made in China stamped in the back of it, but you can take some body filler and fill it up. I don't know what that is there on the back. I think it's from where it might have got hot or something during shipping and the little pack and stuff melted to it, but I can fix that. Like, the paint job is not that great. Like, you can tell it was just half-assed in a factory somewhere. But like I said, you can repaint it, which I might do that. But it's actually not bad at all. Like, it's on eBay for like 30 bucks plus 20 bucks shipping, which makes it $50. For that price range, that's not bad at all. Like, that's like cheaper than the Rubies one, which is complete shit. And, you know, this is a good base to work on and repaint. I'm actually thoroughly impressed with this thing. It's not the Black Series helmet like I thought it was, because in the damn description on the eBay listing it said Black Series, and I didn't know any better. But I'm still really impressed with this helmet. You know, first impressions. Like, I don't know if you can see how thick that cast is right there. But, you know, it's a pretty decent cast. And the lenses of this thing are actually molded into the resin. I don't know if you can see in there or not. It's molded into the resin, so there's no way you can get those out, but, you know, they don't look too bad. So, yeah, not a bad helmet at all. Want to set this down and let you guys get a closer look at it. So you can see here, paint job, it's not too great, but, you know, the sculpt is fine. I know some of those Star Wars nerds out there can point out like 50 things wrong with it, but, you know, at least I know what a vagina feels like. But, you know, sculpt looks fine to me. I don't see anything wrong with it. Paint job's not great, but I can redo that. And there, you can get a better look at how thick it is. Get a look at the inside of it. Got a foam pad there at the top. It's probably just a recast of the Black Series helmet or something like that. But I don't really give a shit. You know, it's a decent looking helmet. And that's all I want. For now, I'm just going to keep it as is because I don't feel like painting it. But I might do that later on. So I'm going to put this here on display with my other 2 Star Wars helmets. I plan on getting more. I plan on getting a Boba Fett. I'm still trying to find out what I'm going to do for Boba Fett. The same seller who makes these does sell Boba Fett helmets, but they look like absolute shit. All the other Stormtrooper helmets they sell look okay, except for the Death Trooper. The paint job looks awful, but you can repaint it. The sculpt looks fine. But, you know, I had to wait a month for this. I don't feel like waiting a month for anything else, but I might, because they're the only place that sells a decent New Order helmet for relatively cheap. So I don't know what I'm going to do for a Boba Fett helmet. So, we'll just see. And, I'm going to go ahead and cut the video off now. Finally did a video so that way Douglas and Blake can shut their pie holes. So, yeah, you guys can suck my dick.